Our topic for today is how to link your PayPal account to your YouTube channel. Okay, I'm gonna show you how. Let's go. In your browser, just type in PayPal donations. Then enter. Choose this donate button, PayPal. If you guys don't have yet the PayPal account, you can sign up. It's free. Since I do have my PayPal now, so I'm just gonna log in here. And then my password. Okay. Just answer this, your country, since I'm in United States, or if you're in the Philippines or just fill in these questions, language, and there's a drop down button here, your PayPal button style. There's large and small. I'm gonna choose large. You can also use your own button image like this. You have your URL, just paste and link, copy and paste. Since I don't have, just continue. There's an option here that use account ID or use your email address. So I'm gonna choose this use email address, and your purpose is optional. I'm gonna leave it blank, then continue. Since I'm in the US, so it's US dollar. There's also an option here that amount donors can give. It can be an exact amount or any amount. I choose any amount. Just click this finish and get code. Choose this shareable URL para ma-paste mo doon sa iyong YouTube channel. So, copy to clipboard. Copy to clipboard. Okay. We will now go to our YouTube channel. Siyempre, dapat naka-login na kayo. Since I'm already logged in, go to your channel. Customize channel. Go to About. At the bottom, you can see here the links that I posted. Andito na yung aking Instagram. And there's also have the PayPal. Just click the pencil here to edit. Just click this add the plus sign. Let's say, for example, we'll type donate me. And then place your URL. Just click it done. And now you can see here that there's 2 PayPal account. This is the latest that we made. Donate me. As you can see, it goes directly to your PayPal account, and then they're gonna have their donations. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Thank you.